So is that Walmart. Yeah, I know. I'm asking for trouble going to Walmart. But there's this whole shelf of this Prime hydration. Alright, I'll give it a try. So it's a hot one here at the plant. It's been hot all week and really humid. We've had some rain off and on throughout the week, so that's really made it a little bit more uncomfortable. The shop thermometer says that it's 88 degrees out on the production floor, so it's a good time to try out this Prime hydration drink. Prime seems to be a newer company founded by two guys, and I guess it's part of a bigger business group based out of Louisville, Kentucky. This is the Ice Pop Summer flavor, according to their website. Because they're calling it a summer flavor, I'm guessing that it's maybe seasonal, or that's what they plan to do with it. So this drink has electrolytes and B vitamins. It's naturally flavored. It has no artificial colors. It has 10% coconut water, which I guess I have to tell you in case you have a nut allergy. It's gluten-free, unfortunately, and it's caffeine-free, so this is not an energy drink at all. It does say to refrigerate after opening. This is a 16.9 fluid ounce bottle. It's colored red, white, and blue. It looks like a bomb pop, so I'm guessing that's what it's going to taste like. It's got 20 calories and 2 grams of sugar. So let me get it open, and I'll give you my first impressions of it. I'll just shake it up here. It's nice and chilled. I've kept it in my cooler. It's kind of got a, almost like a translucent pink color. Can't really see it too well here on camera. Okay. The end is sugary and tart, kind of like a Smartie, maybe. Not really too sweet, not really too tart. The beginning is really, it doesn't really have a whole lot of taste. Yeah, I would say this kind of tastes a little bit like a sweet tart, really. That would be what I would compare it to. But otherwise, though, there's no chemical aftertaste. Yeah, it's just it's making me pucker a little bit, but it's not really that strong. Definitely refreshing on a hot day. So I would try this again. I would pick this up at Walmart again. I also saw that it was available from other sources online, so you could order it and have it shipped to you as well. Maybe I'll try out another flavor of Prime hydration drink if I find it in the future. In the meantime, though, I'm going to finish this off and rehydrate. Thanks for watching.